half of the time. Oh! Let's put all these stupid ants in the car. Damn, there's no food in here. What the fuck? Way too many fucking ants. Damn. Way too fucking many ants. Damn. Way too many fucking ants here. What the fuck? Fuck is with all these damn ants? This client needs to stop eating. That's the problem. He needs to stop